Hey everyone, welcome back to AppWiz, your go-to place for quick and easy app tutorials. How to hide Facebook Reels permanently. For this, go ahead and open your Facebook application. Now make sure you are logged into your Facebook account as well. Tap on the hamburger icon, and from here, head to the settings gear option. Now scroll down until you see the navigation bar option and tap on it. Select Customize the bar. Here you will find all the available shortcuts, and the Reels option should be listed too. If you don't see the Reels option like me, look for the Video option instead. Tap on the drop-down icon next to Video, then choose the Hide option. Once you go back to your homepage, you will notice that the Video option is now removed, and that's how you can hide your Reels or video shortcut. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell icon so you never miss any of my new app tips and tricks. See you in the next video.